Yes. So today we are going to see our second lesson, children. Whether my screen is visible for you, children, can you able to see my desktop screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, thank you, Caleb. See, our second lesson is animations and transitions in MS PowerPoint. Okay. So for that, I'm going to open my presentation. So this is the presentation of our first lesson. Okay. Whether it is visible for you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this lesson, we are going to see about how to create animations and transitions in MS PowerPoint, and also to print the slides using the print screen option. Okay, and how to print the slides using the print option. Okay, so first we are going to see about transitions. So it is nothing but it is the visual effect that occurs when you move from one slide to the next during the presentation. So you can even control the speed, sound, and we can also customize the look of the transition effects. Okay. So I'm going to demonstrate that. See, for that you have to go to the animations tab. By clicking this drop down arrow, you can able to see many transitions here. So you have to pick one transition from here. Okay. So by moving the arrow, you can able to see the changes. Okay. So you have to select one transition from this. First of all, for that, we have to select the slide. We want to add the transition. Secondly, we have to select the transition tab and choose the transition. And here you can find the transition sound and transition speed. See, first of all, we are going to see the preview of the transition. Okay. So this is what I have selected. Secondly, I'm going to add sound for this transition. See, there are many sounds that are inbuilt in the software itself. You can choose any one sound. Can you able to hear the sound, children? Whether it is audible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm saying changing the sound. If we need to set the applause sound also, we can set. And other sounds. Actually, I have downloaded the Tom and Jerry sound from the internet. So I'm giving this. Okay. And here you can set the transition speed. I'm setting it as slow. Okay. See, you can find advanced slide here. See, first one is on mouse click. So it will wait until the mouse click to move to the next slide. See, I have enabled this. Okay, I'm going to apply this transition to all the slides. You have to save the presentation and you have to see the slideshow also. Are you able to see, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so now I'm going to change the transition sound also. Okay, so I'm going to disable this on mouse click option. I'm going to enable this automatically after. Here we can able to set the timings. So this option is used to move the next slide after a certain number of seconds. If I give 2 seconds means we no need to use our mouse or down arrow to go to the next slide. It will automatically shows the next slide within the certain time. Okay. So here I am giving this as 2 seconds. Okay. Slideshow from the beginning. Can you able to find the difference, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So with the help of transition, we can able to create the effects to our slide and we can able to give the sound. We can able to set the transition speed. Okay. So that's all with this transition. I hope you all can understand. Any doubts related to this transition, please do chat in the chat box, children. Any doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. Ma'am, we can set different type of animation in one slide. Yes, it is possible to set different types of animations. So next we are going to see about animations. Okay. So you all know about the animations, right? It is an effect. It adds some special visual or sound effect. We can add this to our text or object on a slide. So it is also possible to animate the text and other objects using the buttons on the animation effects toolbar. Okay. See, firstly, I'm going to animate the text. For that, I'm going to the last. Okay. I have created a new slide. Go to the insert, create a text box. We can create some bird art. Okay. So I have created one new slide and I have used bird art to type happy birthday. Okay. So for adding animation to the text, first of all, you have to select the text that we want to animate. And then we just go to the animations tab. Click custom animation. So here you can find add effect, right? So click this drop down arrow. You can find 4 options, right? Entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. See, if we want, I'm going to explain about the 3 things, okay? When we have to use the entrance mean, when the object enters the slide means we have to use entrance, okay? When our object is just on the slide itself means we have to use emphasis. When the object disappears from this slide means you have to use exit. Whether it may be a text or any picture like that. Okay. So entrance for entering into the slide and for emphasis it is on the slide only and exit is used to disappear from the slide. Okay. See, firstly I am going to give entrance. So you can choose any type, any one. Okay. Can you find the difference now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Spin in the sense it will get spinned. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
See, next to the add effect button, you can find one remove button. I have added 2 effects, right? If I need to remove the effect, I have to select that and then I have to click the remove button. It will get removed now. Okay, can you find the difference, children? It is removed. And you can find 3 options here: start, direction, and speed. So start in the sense your animation start by single click on the mouse, that is on click. Okay, with previous and after previous we can set whenever we need that. Okay, and direction we can set horizontal or vertical, whichever we need we can set. Can you find the difference? If I give horizontal, it displays the animation horizontally. If I click vertical means it displays the animation vertically. Okay. And about speed, click this drop down arrow. You will have 5 options: very slow, slow, medium, fast, and very fast. I'm giving slow. Okay. See, it is appearing very slowly. Very fast, it appears very fast. Okay, and below that box you can find play button. It is used to play the animation. Okay, and this is slideshow. So by clicking this you can able to see it in the slide. You can able to see it in the full form, full screen. Okay, and here you will be having auto preview option. See, if you enable this, it previews automatically. Again, I'm setting one effect. Now it is getting disappear. So we see in this preview automatically. If I disable this, it won't show the preview. Okay, so by enabling this, you can able to see the auto preview option. From the current slide. So these are the 3 animations we set. Okay. And here, see, by clicking this, you can able to see one drop down arrow. Okay, if you click this drop down arrow, you will have some options. If we want to remove, we can remove. If we want to set the timing, we can able to set the timing here. So start when the mouse click, delay by 1 second or 2 seconds, whatever we need, we can able to set speed. So I want to repeat this for 5 more times. It is possible to repeat. Rewind, it is used to replay the animation. See, it is coming 5 times. Okay, because I have put the repeated 5 times, no, so it was coming 5 times. See, here you will be having a reorder option also. If we want to reorder this, we can able to reorder. Can you find the difference, children? Okay. So with this, animation is over. Now I am going to explain about how to print the slides. You all know this, right? So go to the print option. Select the name of your printer. If you want to print all, you can give all, or else you want to print a particular slide, means you have to go to the particular slide, or you have to give current slide, or else you have to mention the slide number here, and here you can give the number of copies you want and print what slides. Okay, if we give handouts, we can able to print many number of slides in a single page. Okay, in order whether we need it as horizontally or vertically, you have to mention this also. Finally, you can see the preview. See, this is my print preview, printer preview. Okay, so I have given 6 slides on a single page. I have set this as horizontally. Okay, so with this, your second lesson is over. Now I am going to show you a small animation. Okay, for that I am going to select a blank slide. I am going to create a new slide. So I have created. See, I am going to insert some pictures. So with the help of insert, we can able to insert the pictures on the slides. Wherever we are having, we can take from that particular location. See, go to the picture. So I have downloaded some pictures from internet. So I am picking that pictures along. Images. Just shrink this picture. And I rotated this also. Again, I am going to insert the Tom picture. If you want to rotate, means you can rotate it. Okay, so now I'm going to set the animation. Select the jelly picture, go to the add effect option, just go to the motion paths. So draw a custom path. In that you will having one option, freeform or scribble. Okay, scribble. Okay. Can you find the difference? Jerry is moving. So we will give only one step. Okay. Again, select on, motion back, scribble. Again, select this. After this, we can play and see. So like this, you can able to set the animations. So I'm going to add sound for this animation. So effect options, sound. Here you can add this Tom and Jerry. It will accept only .wav audio files extensions. Only PowerPoint will accept. It won't accept the MP3 formats. Okay. So we can add this effect to every picture. Hope you all can understand. So if you have any doubts, please ask me, children. Any doubts, please ask me, children. No doubts. All can understand, I think. Ma'am, how to put that effect? So by clicking the drop down arrow at the end of that animation, you can find the effects. Okay. Okay, Giona? Okay, okay. Do it by yourself. Try to do it by yourself. Okay.